Hi, everyone. I'm Jason Rahm here in Studio 360 at F5 AppWorld 2024 in San Jose, California, F5's premier application security and delivery conference. I'm joined today by Cardic and Marley from AppViewX. Gentlemen, how are you?
Great, good.
Okay, so tell us about AppViewX. What are your focus areas?
So AppViewX, as the name sounds, it's an app perspective view, and X is like the Twitter X or mathematical X, so the infrastructure. So the idea, the way we started the company was to provide an app perspective view of everything that we manage. And the platform, AppViewX platform, you can consume it on-prem or SaaS or on the cloud. So it's built with a cloud-native architecture. And the way it works, or the way the core focus of the platform is to integrate and automate with ADCs, F5s, and also enable certificates and keys and Kubernetes and containers and all that. So it basically talks to all the different components and enables you to have an app perspective visibility, and an app perspective way to automate those services per se.
Okay, yeah, I actually got to do a live stream, Cardic, with you several months ago on migrating other vendor solutions to F5 with ADC Plus.
That's right.
What other things are you working on with your product offerings?
Oh, I think we've come a long way. I think, first of all, it's great to be here at AppWorld, and we've started the journey back 14 years back, and we've come a long way. So we started off with the ADC Plus offering that dealt with managing all FIs and ADCs, and then the whole lifecycle management around automation, orchestration, disaster recovery, intelligent traffic management, and then application observability, all of that stuff, right? And then and given the focus around security and risk and compliance, we've made additional offerings in the product to go beyond just the traditional load balancers around on-premise and cloud. We forwarded into machine identity management and identity access that deals with certificate lifecycle management on-premise, cloud, and containers. And then we've gotten into code signing to help DevOps developers help secure the code and their libraries. We're offering a cloud-based PK as a service offering for all things public key infrastructure, and then SSH keys and certs, right? So literally all of the critical facets of the application infrastructure, right from the domains to the DNS to the load balancers, certificates, and SSH, all of that is something we're able to manage and provide lifecycle around that, and then provide critical capabilities, right? The focus is around digital identity and trust, and then application infrastructure.
Okay. What brings you guys to AppWorld?
Yeah, so it's an application world today, right? An app perspective world. And just like what AppWorld, AppUX, right? It aligns, right? So like Karthik mentioned, since we've been working with F5 for quite a while now, and as part of the digital transformation in the organizations, there has been a shift from how you would manage infrastructure to focus on performance and security of applications. Now, with that shift, we see that shift happening with our customers, and some of our largest customers is also F5's larger customers as well. And there we see a lot of synergy in that aspect, right? And with a lot of changes with the cloud native, Kubernetes, and container, and we have been at this journey. We started this journey, Kubernetes journey, a while ago. So it sort of aligns with our roadmap and our approach, and that brings us to the app world, right? Because we work closely with whatever F5 is doing, and the customers, 70+% of customers aligned are also F5 customers as well.
I think the primary reason is we've had a strategic relationship with F5 for over 12 years now, right? A lot of our customers, like Mulli said, over 75% of the customers are also F5's customers. It's a very strategic initiative that we have. And of course, the whole F5 event is happening after a while, a lot of new product launches. So really excited to be at the App World, understand new product offerings from F5, meet partners and customers as well.
Yeah, well, specific to the customers and partners, what message do you have for them?
Yeah, I think a couple of things. One is the roadmap. It's evolved from when we've worked with partners. I mean, and then we've made significant investment to be in sync with the F5 roadmaps as well. For example, beyond the traditional F5 big IPs and the Nginx support that AppViewX provides, we've also started supporting the next-gen F5 platforms like R series for customers moving to R series, and then the Velos platform, and then integrating with distributed cloud and Next, right? All of that. And that's the key message, so that the partners know that through AppViewX, all of the critical initiatives that F5 supports is also supported in AppViewX, apart from all of the security facets that we offer. And then the other key thing is for the partners, the takeout from one vendor into F5, the whole migration aspect, so that they continue to use F5. That's something that we've made rapid progress. So for anyone willing to move from Nextscalers to F5, the whole migration is supported through AppViewX. I think those are 2 or 3 key areas that we'd like to convey to our partners.
So right now, we are the only control plane platform that can manage and support F5 big IP LTM, GTMs, Nginx, both the load balancer and WAF, the big IP Next, and the distributed cloud, and the Velos, all of that in a single platform. And not only that, and enable certificate and key management on all these platforms, and also integrate with the DDI systems like Infoblox, QIP, while creating records in GTM, wide IP, and whatnot. So it enables you one single platform to manage all that, to migrate from one to another, right? Whether you're migrating from legacy F5 to modern, where you're consolidating or separating based on application, and also whether you're migrating from other vendors to F5. So we have that single platform which enables you to do that.
Well, that's fantastic. That's fantastic. All right. Well, thank you, Cardic and Marley, for joining me today. And thank you, everyone, for watching. You can find more videos from F5 AppWorld when you follow us on LinkedIn, X, YouTube, and on F5.com. We'll see you on the next one.